Hey, welcome back to the secret underground lair. So we got our final piece off this piece of maple off our old big maple log. And I wound up cutting that off this slab here with a bandsaw blade that I picked up yesterday. It's not the blade that I wanted. It was the only one that I could get my hands on quickly. It's a 1/2 inch wide, three tooth per inch, 93.5 inch blade. So that fits on the sawmill. And I just went through from this point to the end of the log really slowly. And it did a good job. I actually cut the log off perfectly. So yeah, just taking time to go through that made all the difference in the world. So I'm pleased to have that done. I'm going to keep this 2-inch slab, it's just about 2.5 inches. I'm going to keep that as is because I think I can get a lot of leg material out of that. So I want to keep it. Now we're ready to put this, all these pieces of this log now into the kiln. And to that end, we had another little trip and picked up some foam. So 2 4x8 sheets that will be used to insulate our box. And I got some plastic here. This is just some corrugated plastic that'll go on the lid, to make up the lid. And the other thing that's going on is we got our 2 posts two cross braces that'll make up the main pieces of the lid. They're just all glued up. So we're ready to tackle those. So 2 big pieces. So a little bit of work going on the last couple days. That's kind of where we are. Wood kiln can progress with the insulation, so then we can put this log in it. Also, my little dehumidifier arrived today. So our next video will be putting the insulation in, putting the lid on, and working with some of the electronics. So just a little quick update today. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe. Let's see the rest of this wood kiln put together. See you on the next video.